Powered by a distinctive 401 horsepower, turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, the Audi RS3 brings unique sound and thrilling acceleration, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Standard features include a torque vectoring, rear-biased, all-wheel drive system that makes it especially fun for those keen on drifting. While it's a bold and aggressive four-door, the RS3 is track-ready, especially with optional R-compound tires that offer impressive grip for swift lap times. But the RS3 has a comfortable, luxurious side too, with a well-appointed cabin, particularly for front-seat passengers, making it equally suited to city drives or weekend getaways. While we advise keeping options minimal to control costs, it's hard not to be captivated by this daring version of Audi's smallest performance sedan. The heart of the RS3 is truly its unique 5-cylinder engine. This rare configuration creates a distinctive, pleasing sound that sets it apart, even in its latest turbocharged 2.5-liter version. Now pushing 401 horsepower, the engine pairs with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic that downshifts subtly with light throttle, yet behaves more smoothly during hard braking. The RS3's all-wheel drive system includes a torque vectoring rear differential with a drift mode, though sustaining a drift requires some skill. Compared to the A3 and S3, the RS3 boasts upgraded brakes, a firmer suspension, and performance wheels with stickier tires. In our testing, the RS3 reached 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 3.3 seconds and completed the quarter mile in 11.8 seconds at 117 mph.